Yo, welcome back, y'all! So for this week's video, I brought my sister along because 2 videos ago, when I did the coffee run, I was talking about how my sister said that eating crickets or any type of insect is nasty. And I told her, eating insects is better for you because of the protein and how, meaty and juicy it is. So for today, we're gonna try 3 different kinds of crickets. Now, I got these off Amazon, and these crickets, a bunch of YouTubers have done a video about, and each cricket comes with its own flavor. Again, you're not gonna go outside, get your crickets and just eat them. You get these crickets and you cook them, boy. You gotta cook them, put a little seasoning on them, so at least they can taste better and not just on it. You feel me? So the flavors that we got is bacon and cheese, salt and vinegar, and sour cream with onions. So we're gonna take a bite of each one and basically describe what the taste is and if it's good or not. And we're gonna rate them at the end, which is the best to the worst. Oh, let's get to it. Now before we even eat all these delicious food that we have, I'm gonna give you guys 3 facts that I found, because again, I did my research for this, so y'all don't think that I'm just going outside my house and eating goddamn insects for lunch and breakfast. Fact number 1, 1/4 of the world's population eat insects on a day-to-day basis. That is 2 billion people day-to-day who whip up some dishes of insects, like, I don't know, like a souffle of crickets or a freaking lasagna with worms or whatnot. But again, that's basically Africa, Asia, and Latin America, like all that group together. That's 2 billion people who be eating insects on a day-to-day basis. What I mean by that is that crickets have 65 to 68% protein in them, and other insects have up to 80%. That is way better than your protein shake and whatnot. Pop some of these suckers in your mouth and you off to the gym. Not only that, it has omega-3, 6 fatty acids, and high in calcium and vitamin B12. So come on, this is some nutritious stuff, and it's outside that you could just go put it in a pan, put some seasoning, and cook it and eat it. Fact number 3, or more like a bunch of people's opinion type of thing, is that eating crickets help the environment. And what I mean by that is that, think about it. If we talking about beef, like cows, versus crickets or other insects, cows take more of the land. You need more land to feed them. You need a lot of water to keep them hydrated. Not only that, cows also produce methane gas, meaning that's bad with the O2, with the ozone layer, like, versus crickets that don't need that much land, don't even need that much water. Not only that, they is, chilling. They cool with the environment. They don't produce nasty ass gas that'll hurt the freaking earth and whatnot. So if people switch more to eating insects than beef, obviously you can still eat your beef and whatnot, but eating more insects and less beef will help the environment grow. So all this, pollution and whatnot could be taken care of if we eat more damn insects. So this is the order that we're gonna eat these crickets. We're gonna eat the salt and vinegar first, then sour cream and onion, and my personal favorite, the bacon and cheese, because it has bacon. And if anybody who knows me knows that I love my bacon. Pop this up. It comes in its own bag. Look at these suckies. Smoke? So all that vinegar, they put more vinegar than freaking salt. So here's it. These feel like Funyuns, like the texture, dude. Hold on. Look at this sucker. Like, this feels hollow in the inside. Like, oh my god, so sensitive. Boy, that's delicious, don't it, Mike? She said cheers. I mean, okay, so I'm guessing you ready.
No, I'm ready to start the down.
Alright, okay. So pop them in the mouth. You want to cheers it? Bing. Alright, go. Oh, at the same time, at the same time. Same time. Same time. 3, 2, 1. Don't fake it either, just eat it. 3, 2, 1, go. Put the whole thing in your mouth, don't crush it. Oh my god.
It's pretty good.
Don't put the whole thing in your mouth because I haven't put nothing in. I still have the whole crick. I was waiting for you to go first. Alright, so.
You know what's gonna do it?
What does it taste like?
Like it's more salty than vinegar. It tastes like something I made before.
I know. You ready? You ready? Salt and vinegar crickets taste like sunflower seeds. When you put the sunflower seed in your mouth and you like popping it open, that's what exactly what it tastes like. Tell me now.
Yeah, it does.
Alright. So that was salt and vinegar. So now we are about to try sour cream and onion. Go ahead, open it. It's still got like salt in my teeth. I'm hoping it's salt.
Chicken.
She said chicken. Oh, she ain't wrong. Like grilled chicken with a leg attached.
Oh no, baby. Why is it so soft?
Oh my god, why is it so powdery? That's a leg. Alright, go. 3.
Nah, you eat it first.
No, this time we're gonna put it together because I wanted you to eat it first. This time together at the same time, okay?
Okay.
3, 2. What? Oh, I thought you really started to eat. I was about to say, damn, you really hungry. Alright, 3, 2, 1.
I don't like it.
That's what I want. Next, we're gonna eat my favorite bacon and cheese, boys. I don't even know why I slammed it when I had to pick it back up.
Same.
Get one with no wings or legs. Then I get one with the wings and eat. And the cheese. He's stalking me too. I won't taste nothing. Nothing from this. None? Well, there you have it. How do you feel about eating crickets? Do you still think they're disgusting?
Yup.
Would you eat them again?
Yeah.
Are you at least glad that you tried it?
I mean, I guess.
Worst one, sour cream and onion. Did not taste like anything at all. Like, what? No. Bacon and cheese is the second favorite because at least it had some type of flavor. Cheese, but it was like very little. And the best one is salt and vinegar because it had that sunflower seed flavor onto them. For me, what about you?
I don't like this one.
I mean, you had a great other one.
I don't like this one. And these are nasty. They don't taste like nothing.
Whack, my boy. So that wraps it up for this video because I just wanted to do this to teach her a lesson that eating insects is okay. You know, they're not disgusting, they're not gooey, they're crunchy. Like, I'm about to sprinkle some of this on her cereal. I want to give a special thanks to my sister for being out here and, you know, actually eating insects, even though, again, she did not like them and she will try them again. 100%.
Nope.
Here's her Snapchat. Go follow her. Don't forget to follow me on my social media to get any behind the scenes updates. Or if you just want to see what the hell I do on my life on a day-to-day schedule. I probably don't post every day, but whatever. Regardless, don't forget to like this video if you liked it. Share it to your friends. Not only that, I want y'all to hit the bell notification button so y'all be notified when these videos are uploaded, because some of y'all have still not put the damn bell notification on. So what's happening, y'all? Don't forget to subscribe. More videos are coming out. Hopefully more like this, because next week we're eating the goddamn cockroaches.
No, we ain't.
Other than that, y'all stay beautiful now. You want to do the whole yo?
No. Boy, ain't nobody trying to do all that extra.